guys, good morning everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan bread like a chapati. Okay, let's get started. Guys, so what you want to need, first we need the flour. I'm using maida. You can use any kind of flour. Sorry. Using my hand. Now leave it for 20 minutes. Alright guys, now 20 minutes gone. So now ready to make chapati. So we need the golden flour also. Alright guys, my recipe is done. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you in the next video.